Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi connection problems on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. First, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings, and in the settings, we're gonna go to Wi-Fi. Here we want to turn it off and turn it on. This is a quick restart. Of course, if it does not help, what are we clicking is we're clicking this button right here. And sorry, not this button, but we're going to click on the network, and here we want to click on forget. Now we want to connect to the same network just by entering a password. We're going to click connect, and now what are we going to do is we're going to go and restart the phone. So this is a quick restart. Of course, we're going to press and hold the power button only. Now we tap on restart and tap again. So now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second. After the restart, we're going to enter the password, and of course go to settings. Now scroll down all the way to system. Here we tap on reset phone, and what are we going to do is we're going to reset the Wi-Fi settings. Now once we do that, we will need to confirm that it's us trying to do it, and we should see the confirmation. Now of course we have to connect again, but here we have to just enter the password, and now click connect. Here as a last resort, we're going to go to system update and online update. We want to make sure that it says that our system is up to date, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.